Everyone, here is Mahmoud. Welcome to the daily recaps for EURUSD. Coming, so we're starting with the daily time frame. When we watch the daily time frame, we can see that our daily swing is bearish, and after bear cup structure, we have had the pullback, which has started from here, and we pushed higher until we have mitigated almost the weekly supply and also the daily demand within here, and then we had chuck and we started to have a bearish fractal pullback to facilitate the internal pullback. So from here we can expect that we go higher again, or this is the first scenario, or we go lower and our internal will also change bearish, and then we can play the pro swing run for EURUSD. Okay, but for now we are still in this range, and our job as a intraday trading is not to predict the future, just act for your intraday BS. Okay, compensation, as I spoke yesterday, we have this mitigation from this supply, and we could expect that. So it makes sense that we have this bearish BS for today, so bearish movement for today. Okay, let's go to our forward times, which everything is more clear on it. When we watch the forward chart, we can see that our swing is I should change the color. Okay, yeah, no. We can see that the swing is bullish, and we have had our internal has switched bearish to facilitate the swing pullback, came higher, and we mitigate some supplies here, and we're just see this corrective pullback. Let me delete this before it gets more messy. I will talk with arrow. Arrow is always better. Okay, we have had this corrective pullback as I said. We broke finally through, and again we have started to have this corrective pullback. So always when you have such a corrective pullbacks, it can be a good sign that we will have such a reaction, such a strong reaction to downside, as price has built enough liquidity to target the new low. Like this. Yeah. As I explained, yeah, we came to this supply. So this week price action was like this, so not so much clear, but here it's now clear that we can have at least this pullback for our landing session, and from here we can go higher or price start to go lower. Okay, yeah, this is our for our chart, and let's see our 15 minutes, which is my main time frame. Okay, we'll start with Frankfurt Open. Here is the Frankfurt Open, so still one candle. Okay. Now we have had the Frankfurt Open. It is this that we go through all this price action together. Yeah, yeah. As I explained, I was happy to play phase B, so to play short from here, as we can have as it the intra. So our internal structure is big, so we can expect at least we can come to this level. So there is still decent risk to a decent chance that we can play a pullback to internal range within these demands here. Okay. Let me start. Okay, first sign to we need a good sign that we need a good sign that our order flow can change that we play this small pullback. Okay, what is the best sign for doing this is just waiting for a chalk, which happened very fast after Frankfurt open. We have had this chalk, and from here it was more clear for me that I can play the pullback. Okay, now we can go to our 5 minutes chart. That's messy. Okay, let me delete this too. Yeah, okay. I don't need to treat this here. Okay, let me continue. We have had so we can see that now we have a 50 minutes and this refined 5 minutes order block. Okay, we continue. Okay, here I waited for a liquidation from this high to play it with confidence on all my accounts, but as I saw, it was no clear liquidation from here. Okay, yeah, and here we had another M5 boss to the downside. So lower time frame, this market was track, it doesn't matter. And we have now a new M5. Yeah, this is the refund. M5 supply, which we can expect that the price start to pull back from. So nothing, we do nothing, and here we had the pullback, and yeah, this was my first entry. I entered here. Currently, I just enter with stop orders as I came to the point that they are more safer, as we already see the reaction, and we don't need to, like when you put a sell limit here, it can go higher, but in my opinion, mostly when it comes with momentum downside, it will continue with momentum. So 3.1. It was this, yeah, I think, yeah, it was me. Yeah, and then very fast it has tipped my TP. I could, you can say, decent risk to reward, but yeah, let's be consistent. I could like run a little bit, like 20% of this trade to run, because it was decent that we can have a good pullback from here. Yeah, but we cannot be sure about the future actions. Yeah. Okay, let's come back to our session. Let's come back to our M15. Yeah, I'm not interested at all to buy from here when the momentum is like this. I had enough losses in the past when I played these trades against the trend. I think if you trade a line with trend, you should be safe. Now here we have had our IBOS, so we could expect that price come to this supply. I didn't, yeah, I will talk about this later. Yeah, after the pullback has started, we do nothing. Yeah, here as the pullback started, okay, and as the momentum is strong, the downside, and we are around that. This is the London low, so it makes sense that we are arranging here. So arrange a little bit. You see, too fast. Sorry. And we bring it back to here. So here we are ranging, and I have marked this order block. Why I don't trade so much breaker, but yeah, in this example makes sense that this has pushed to a move which was a strong move, but here has been traded very strong through, so it makes sense that there is still some limit orders which can be filled and the price can go lower. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's go to 5 minutes. It shows better. Okay, what we have here, we can see that we are ranging here, and then we have this up, manipulation, and I have had a chuck. Wait, where is the chuck? Yes, here. Here I have had the chuck after we mitigated this breaker. Okay, I have a new 5 minutes demand. I was happy to take this trade from here. Yes. Then yeah, this has been up or up. Yeah, this was my entry 242 and decent. Actually, my target was here, but I decided to be consistent again with 3.1. I don't have to prove myself, I can do more. And you see, decent trade, very fast. Yeah. Today I had like these two trades, didn't take like 5, 10, 15, 20, like 30 minutes here and around 30 minutes here. And yeah, this was the trade idea. I didn't took both of them on my personal bigger capital accounts, as it is not my plan. So it is not my first trade plan, but lucky. So I have other accounts which allows me to play these aggressive trades, and they have, yeah, this month they had very good results in my opinion. Okay, and let's go to 50 minutes. Yeah, nothing more. We have had the M15 bus, which 15 is now bearish again. So that's bearish. I mean M15 structure and bus. Okay, after bus we can expect the pullback. So my primary trades for tomorrow is that we come back to M15 internal switch bullish, and then we can play this internal pullback, hopefully. But yeah, we have tomorrow also some news. Yeah, it will be the end of the month, so end of the month probably is more valuation as more data is coming out, and yeah, try to stay safe, but very good trades. Well, unfortunately, I just took advantage on my small capitals and not any big, but yeah, no FOMO, just doing every day my job. Have a nice day, guys. So, nice night. Wish you good luck with your life. Bye bye.